feel like a man in his own house. Look at everywhere. This one is painted pink. What's this, Elsa? Oh, God. Oh, look at all this. Look at all this, for crying out loud. In the restroom. All this makeup stuff. No wonder they take over 2 hours to get ready. Ah! What's this? Wig. I've told my wife, don't put this thing in the restroom. It annoys me. How did they even wear this one? This is why it takes us so long. When you spend like 45 minutes trying to just brush the wig. Jeez. It's popping. Yeah. Hey, boo boo, how you doing? Hello. Hey. And my wife, that one, she's like, darling, can you please wait for me? I'm trying to get ready. Duh. Oh, God. Yo, how you doing? Oh my gosh. Hey, daddy, hoo boo boo. Hey, look at mine. Hey. Oh.
Hey, Mommy. Daddy, what are you doing? I'm telling Mommy. Mommy!
Spirit of Bobrisky. No, Spirit of intelligence.
Yeah, yeah, Moza, wait.